For our hike of the week, we're at Warwoman Dell in Rabun County, Georgia. Going to be on the Bartram Trail, hiking up to Pinnacle Knob. It's in the mid to upper 60-degree temperature range. Fair skies at the moment. Looks like another great day for a hike. This is a Bartram Trail marker on Warwoman Road. This is where the Bartram Trail crosses the highway here. There's a huge blowdown that has recently been taken care of. Very good maintenance here on the Bartram Trail. Beautiful little waterfall called Becky Falls. Trail has a nice footbridge just below the falls. Starting to see some of the huge Vases trillium. It's the largest type trillium we see on the trail. The flower is below the leaves. Very nice specimen here.
These big trees. Yeah, those are white pine.
Nice huge white pine trees along the trail. It's always beautiful. Yeah, Martin Creek down below. We're headed up toward Martin Creek Falls. We made it to Martin Creek Falls. Beauty. Real pretty spot here on Bartram Trail. Can't beat hiking in the North Georgia mountains. We're climbing up Pinnacle Mountain now to what's called Pinnacle Knob. This is a side trail off of the Bartram. Very steep. No switchbacks. We do understand they have plans to redo this trail to make some nice switchbacks to make the climb easier. Well, we made it to the top. We're just coming into the rock overlook. Great mountain views when we get here. Have a little turtle here on the rock.